Activating your Affirm card is a straightforward process that can be completed online or through the Affirm mobile app. To begin, ensure you have received your physical card in the mail and have the card details and your Affirm account information readily available. First, go to the Affirm website and log in to your account using your email address and password. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one by providing some basic personal and financial information. Once logged in, navigate to the card activation page. Next, enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. This information can be found on the back of your card. Carefully review the terms and conditions of your card, including the interest rate, repayment terms, and any fees associated with your account. After reviewing the terms, click the Activate button to complete the activation process. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your card has been successfully activated. It is essential to note that you will need to make your first payment within a specified timeframe, typically within a few weeks of activation. To make a payment, log into your Affirm account and navigate to the Payments page. You can choose to make a one-time payment or set up a recurring payment schedule. It is crucial to make timely payments to avoid late fees and negative impacts on your credit score. As a best practice, regularly review your account activity and payment schedule to ensure you are on track with your repayment plan. If you encounter any issues during the activation process or have questions about your account, you can contact Affirm customer support for assistance. In summary, activating your Affirm card involves logging into your account, entering your card details, reviewing the terms and conditions, and completing the activation process. By following these steps and making timely payments, you can effectively manage your Affirm account and avoid any potential issues.